Today, I'm going to show you how I paint white hair on top of this pale flesh tone. Here we go.
Let's paint.
I'm starting with a base of Corax white. It goes on pretty smooth, but still, same rules apply. 2 thin coats, don't want to obscure all those little details in the hair. Now these heads I'm working with today, I've already done the pale flesh tone, so if you want to learn how to do that, go check out the previous video where I show you the quick, easy way to do pale flesh tones. Anyway, 2 thin coats, make sure you got a good base layer of that Corax white. I like the Corax because it's already kind of got a grayish hue to it, so it works really well for the base and also sets us up for some good shading here later on. Next up is this Basilicanum Gray Contrast Paint. Now for this step, you have a couple options. If you're looking for a darker gray, you can do a few thin coats and really darken up that beard and go with almost like a light gray or dark gray type beard. With these guys, I thinned it down a little bit and just did 1 thin coat, making sure to wick up all those pools because I really wanted more of a old man white type effect. Now the final step here is to dry brush a little white scar on top. And once again, you've got some options. If you're looking for a whiter beard, definitely do some dry brush highlights. And if you're really liking the gray effect, no problem there. You can just leave it where you were at. All right. With the dry brushing done, it's time to do our final step and throw a coat of Nuln Oil on top of everything. Cover it all up and go back through as it dries, wicking up any pools. Also, I like to use a clean, moist brush to really clean those top areas where I want it to be highlighted, specifically around like the forehead, nose, and tops of the hair area. If you want a little more shading in the beard and hair, you can do another coat of that Nuln Oil. These guys turned out pretty slick, and I left them with just 1 coat. Well, let me know what you think. I'm shooting for a super simple, super fast way for us beginners to paint some tabletop ready, high quality looking miniatures. Until next time, we'll see you.